In this video, I am going to show you how to install Stremio on your smart TV. First, ensure that your smart TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Begin by navigating to your smart TV's App Store. Depending on your smart TV brand, this could be the Google Play Store, the Samsung Smart Hub, or the LG Content Store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to look for Stremio. If Stremio is available in your App Store, select it from the search results and click on the Install button to download the app. The installation process may take a few moments, so be patient. If Stremio is not available in your smart TV's App Store, you can use a workaround by installing it through an Android device or using a web browser if your TV has one. If your smart TV supports screen mirroring, you can also cast the Stremio app from your Android phone or tablet. To install Stremio on an Android device, download it from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create a new account. After that, go to the settings and enable screen mirroring or casting. On your smart TV, make sure screen mirroring is enabled in the settings. Use your Android device to find the smart TV in the casting options and connect to it. Your Stremio app will now be mirrored on the TV screen. Alternatively, if your smart TV allows for sideloading apps, you can download the Stremio APK file from the official website on a USB drive, then plug it into your TV. Use a file manager app to navigate to the USB drive and install the APK, and that's it. You can now enjoy Stremio on your smart TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.